Place a weighing cup on the balance and then zero or tare the balance. Transfer the required amount of malonic acid to the weighing cup. Close the balance door for the final weight. Finally, remove the weighing cup with the solid. Next, we will weigh the manganese 2-sulfate monohydrate. Again, place a weighing cup on the balance and then zero or tare the balance. Transfer the required amount of manganese 2-sulfate monohydrate to the weighing cup. Close the balance door for the final weight. Remove the weighing cup with the solid. Now we'll prepare and dilute the solution. Add the malonic acid to a 100 milliliter beaker. Next, add the manganese 2-sulfate monohydrate to the same 100 milliliter beaker. Add 30 milliliters of deionized water to the beaker. Stir for several minutes to dissolve the solids. Transfer the solution to a 50 milliliter plastic volumetric flask. Rinse the beaker with a few milliliters of deionized water and add the rinsed water to the flask. Rinse the beaker a second time with a few milliliters of deionized water. Again, add the rinse water to the flask. Finally, rinse the beaker for a third time with a few milliliters of deionized water, adding the rinse water to the flask. Note the calibration mark on the neck of the flask. Add deionized water until the meniscus is at the calibration mark. We want the bottom of the meniscus to be at the calibration mark. Note that the meniscus is at the calibration mark. Seal the top of the flask with parafilm and invert several times to mix.